All right, we're taking a look here at the Samsung B series soundbar. This one has the model number of a B73CD, coming in at a price of $230 here at a local Costco store. This is one of your more budget soundbars, but probably really good for a small TV. That's what the sides look like. Kind of a hard plastic. It's not really metal, but it's a hard plastic. Right there's the Samsung branding. Right here, some buttons. I do like that it actually has buttons that you can feel and touch. Power button, volume, and your source. And then that's what the side of it looks like there. But it's a 5.1 channel soundbar. It's got the Dolby Digital, the DTS Virtual X on this. A subwoofer is included right here with this soundbar. You can connect via Bluetooth, or you can connect via HDMI or an optical cable. But yeah, I think for $230, this is a nice little soundbar that would enhance the sound of your TV. So hopefully this gives you guys a visual or a look of what to expect if you're in the market for the for the Samsung B series B73CD.